This is a quick showing of how to set up an extra battery and controller to another hub motor the easy way without having to splice or solder. This is a spring lever connector. I bought them off of eBay, about 10 of them for $8. They can handle 32 amps, so this is a 30 amp controller, but it could, the internet's got these things running 100 amps or more. So basically all you have to do is take this, put the wire in there, flip it up, connect it, and you can either cut this and do the same, or just take this, same thing, just put it right in there, and they're loaded with a spring, and they've got metal inside of these. So once you clip them, there's one open. You just stick it in there. Same thing with the other side. Black to black, red to red. Very easy. This is a bag I bought off of eBay. So it's a 48 volt, 20 amp. You're gonna take the bag. I haven't hooked it up yet, I just got this. And the controller, this is the foam packing it came in. The controller sits in the bag insulated so that the controller gets a little hot. It's on foam already that it was packed with. Won't scratch the battery, nothing's moving. And then you simply just put it on your rear rack. You're just going to Velcro it to this and then just simply wire it. So it should be very easy, and I'll show you the completed product in a couple of days when I hook this up. But this is the easy way to do it for people that don't want to solder and want a pure plug and play. Spring level connector. There's the controller. All you got to do is plug it into this little thing right here. Same thing with the battery. Just find the, it gave me a Dean type clamp. If you don't want to put your controller into the bag and you want to put it on the bike, this is just going to extend it. And same thing, you can just use this and just plug it in there. Just splice them a little bit longer. I'm just going to have to, cut them right here a little bit to expose more wire. And like I said, this helps conduct it because there's metal in here. So once you clamp it, it makes a very good conduction area. These will not catch on fire. So there's no fire hazard with any of this, because if this thing were to just ignite somehow, all of these parts would just melt. So it's safe. So this is an easy bag and battery. It weighs maybe about 8 or 9 pounds, like maybe a jug of milk, and the bag fits on the bike rack pretty much perfectly. Standard bike rack. It's the perfect size. This is a 20-inch, so this bike rack is actually a little smaller and it fits on there perfectly. Hope this helps people out.